Welcome back to my channel. It's Kileigh Nichelle, but you can call me Kai, like hi y'all. And today I'm going to be showing you how I do my sleek knot bun. This is the first time I've ever done it, so here are the steps. First, you want to make sure you get your hair in a middle part and section it off if you have thick hair like me, and make sure it's detangled. You can also use the hot comb, but that's personal preference. So basically what I'm doing here is I already put the back section in a ponytail, and I just split the first section into a half so I can slick one part down and then slick the other part down. This is a key method on how I get my thick hair super flat. The gel I'm using is Style Flaxseed gel, which will also be in the description, and I'm using a hard wooden brush. Now I'm going in with my edge booster edge control to slick down my edges because it's a key factor in my hairstyles and I like to know how they'll look before the end result. So what I'm doing here is just putting an extra scrunchie on to make sure everything's secured and flat. Okay, here is a close-up of all the details I just did in the prior clip. Me sectioning my hair into a half to slick one part down and continue to slick the next part down with my Styler gel, and adding more and more scrunchies. I used like a total of like 5 or 6 scrunchies, maybe 8 to complete this whole look. My hair is very thick and we're in the process of training her to be worn out more. So it's just a process. I also have a moving scalp, and since my hair is thick, sometimes my parts get messed up. But honestly, I try my best, and I'm very happy with how this hairstyle came out. So make sure you keep watching and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, girl. Okay, here I took a bundle of model braiding hair, which I highly recommend. It's great quality hair, and I just wrapped my scrunchie around the middle of the bundle and then wrapped that around my ponytail that I have in the back. So the first method I tried was twisting my hair so it would blend better within the braiding hair. I thought this would be best to like decrease the volume of my actual hair when blending it in. Although this wasn't the best method, but I kept this in because this might be helpful for one of you girls when you're looking to complete this look. So now I'm just sectioning off a piece to be the piece that wraps around my ponytail holder, and I'm using Got2b freeze spray to keep it in place and intact. Now you want to make sure that your ponytail is on top of your natural hair, if that makes sense. You don't want it to be underneath, you want it to be on top. Now you want to start twisting your hair all together. This is what I mean about my hair being twisted wasn't the best method, although it did come out, but you can see that it's a little bulkier at the top and I did not like that look. So I'm going to take this down and redo it. Okay, I took the twist out and I separated 2 sections of my hair with the braiding hair and sprayed Got2b, and then I began to twist in counterclockwise, I believe, and that decreased the volume at the top of my knot, so I was very happy with that. And just make sure you're getting the flyaway so your bun can be super sleek. As you continue to twist, you'll realize that your hair will begin to coil around each other, and that's exactly what you want. So you want to keep doing this until you get to the end of your braiding hair, which is super simple. Clearly I was over it, but what I went in with was some more of my edge booster edge control and just got some of the hair that was lifting to make sure that was flat. And yes, Just going to continue brushing and putting some freeze spray on to make sure she does not move, because we want this girl to be flat. If you aren't familiar with Edge Booster, I highly recommend that for 4C hair, or if you have super thick hair in general and your hair tends not to lay down. Although the thing about this is that sometimes it does make your hair white, I would recommend using some oil or blending it with some water when you're laying your hair down. So in the final steps, I'm going to just cut away some of the flyaways that's on my hair. But girl, be careful when you do this. Make sure you're only cutting the braiding hair and not your actual hair. You should know what the difference is between textures. So girl, just be sure you don't cut your actual hair. Lastly, I just put on some oil sheen so my hair can match the shine of the braiding hair, and then I put on the scarf later, and then this is the final result. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you do this hairstyle, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can see your look. Thank you for watching.